Hello! This week I created a text-based GUI which internally has a state diagram. And in my state diagram I have only two states which are on loan and on the shelf, which is gonna be used in a library. And then I've got a list of actions to travel between these states. If I borrow a book, it's gonna be on loan. If I return it, it's gonna be on the shelf. Then here I've got my get action function, and here I read the keyboard and get the input. If I press on B, the user action is gonna be borrow, and if I press on R, it's gonna be return. Then this is gonna return me the user action, which then I can use in my main switch statement, in my nested switch. Here, user action. And of course here I start my ncurses mode because this is a text-based GUI, which means the texts are gonna remain here forever. And first of all, I start with on the shelf by default, and after I get my user input based on what the user inputs, it's gonna return the state to on loan, and then the user action is gonna be defined, and I also print the number of books. Then on loan, I do the same. I have a switch statement. I detect if the user entered B or R, and according to that I update the number of books and the user action and the current state. Then I add my ncurses and I return. So let me demonstrate you the application. So the book is currently available. Press B to borrow. I press B. So because I currently borrowed it, the number of books decreased to 14, and I press on R to return the book, then the number of books increases as well. I also print the ID of the process here, and I also print the time.